We're going to do a video on KSS Stock News, KSS Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart of Kohl's here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20 in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's take a look at Kohl's real quick. Kohl's today is up 8%, up $2.20 a share on volume of 9.3 million shares. 4.3 million is the average daily volume. It's currently trading at $29.07. It's about 20 after 2 on November 8th. Let's take a look at this stock real quick. We can see it's been in a bear market since May of 2022, sold down here into July, and then went straight across and oscillated around the price of about 28 bucks. It's still really doing that. It's just above there a little bit. It's up, as I said, trading around $29.03 right now, but it's up 8%. So what's going on with Kohl's? We can see that it's above its 5-day moving average, above its 20-day moving average, but still below its its 200-day moving average. So let's take a look at the weekly chart and see what's going on there. We can see Kohl's is still below its 200-week moving average. It's still essentially below or just flirting with its 20-week moving average, and it's above its 5-week moving average. So Kohl's basically, like a lot of stocks, going through a very uncertain time, trying to decide whether or not it's going to put in a rally here. Now you can see Kohl's made a new low on the week of September 26th, and it made it high for this little sideways area here on August 15th. But this pattern that it's putting through here is a distribution pattern. They're still selling this stock. If you look at, there's 3 weekly highs that are lower in successive order, and at least 2 weekly bottoms that are lower. So this stock is still distributing. There's no doubt about that. I would say this rally at the moment is inconsequential. It's almost entirely within the bounds of last week's range, and so I don't see a whole lot going on with Kohl's in terms of its coming out of this bear market. Let's take a look real quick at the hourly chart. We've got a 200-hour blue moving average here, and we can see Kohl's is significantly above it, but we can also see almost immediately that Kohl's is extremely overbought right now. It's got a huge gap here from about $26 all the way up to 28, and for this stock that's a fairly decent gap, but the stock is way overbought on the hourly chart. So I'm looking for Kohl's to drop back down here at least a buck, maybe $1.50, just to catch its breath. I don't think it's going to close this gap here anytime soon. It might, but it doesn't look like it. But it's definitely going to drop back down here, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. Drop down a buck and maybe $1.50 to take care of this gap in the hourly chart. So let's take a look and see real quick whether we cover Kohl's. And we do. We've got, let me get back to it. We've got Kohl's here. KSS is the ticker symbol, 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods, trading day holding periods, but you can see we put in nothing today in terms of buys, so the algorithm didn't think it was a good day to buy. Got that wrong, but we'll see what happens by the end of the day. But you can get access to all of our algorithmically generated entry prices. These are for the 8th of November today, and we put out about 190 every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. Link in the description below. You just head over there, put in your email address, and get instant access to all of our stocks. 190, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Again, all updated by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, everything you see in here, including our entry prices and commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a video you'd like us to do, a ticker symbol or a currency or a futures contract you'd like us to do a video on, please leave the ticker symbol in the comment section below. And if it's a big one, something that a lot of people would like, we'll consider doing it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well.